It's a 2017 Lexus NX. This is the crossover for any urban adventure thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Scout GPS Link smart device navigation, Bluetooth, leather steering wheel, and LED low-beam headlights. Edmunds.com highlights its class-best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.